Na Jamaica is a Socio-Cultural Association of Igbo residents here on the island. But just how much do we know about the rich culture that exists within this subgroup? So in this segment of Out of Many, we're joined by great Ikezue, that was him on the drums just now. Also, we have the President Kelechi Ogbonna and Vice President Dr. Chukwuemeka Victor Chiana. And Sister Eucharia Chukwural is in the kitchen, and they'll be telling us more about this close-knit community and how they've continued to celebrate and share their rich heritage. Good morning, welcome to Sunrise.
Good morning.
Or how do I say it in Igbo? How do I say welcome, morning?
Ebiala.
Ebiala. First things first, how long have you even been in Jamaica?
Personally, I've been here for 6 good years.
6 good years. It's the good for me. I love that. And yourself, Doc?
For me, I've been here for the past 15 years.
15 years?
Yes.
At this point, we just have to give you a Jamaican name. You know this?
No problem.
I love when you said no problem. You know, when we think about our cultures are more alike than they are different. Let's talk about the significance in the cultural ties between, say, Jamaica and Nigeria and the Igbo community.
Yeah, like I told the immigration people the other day,
yes,
that there is a lot of similarities,
yes,
in terms of culture, and a lot of things in Jamaica and the Igbo people.
Yeah.
In Nigeria, Igbo people are a major tribe in Nigeria. We are from the southeast of Nigeria. Let's look at the language.
All right.
What you people use here as unu is also the same unu in Igbo language, which means you all.
Yeah, so unu love Jamaica.
Oh, good.
You understand that perfectly.
So it's the same.
Yes, yes.
The same meaning of unu here in Jamaica is the same thing in Igbo. So that's that. When you come to food,
yes,
the same yam here is the same yam.
yes,
The same plantain,
Same
the same
plantain.
banana, the same corn or maize or whatever, the same cocoa yam and all the rest. So a lot of things in common.
yeah, yeah. Let's talk a bit, Doc, about how the sense of community has been fostered for you here in Jamaica, obviously with your other community members, because obviously you're not losing your sense of community being here in Jamaica. There are so many of you. How do you maintain that sense of community?
Thank you, Yandi, for that question. The reality is this, that for us, the Igbo community, Ndigbo, we are community-oriented. And as a result of that, we ensure to, form a socio-cultural association that bring every one of us together. And this socio-cultural association, within the context of Jamaica, we meet every second Sunday in each month, just to ensure that every single one of the Ndigbo Na Jamaica who lives here, we are carrying each other along.
You mentioned how long you've been here.
Yes.
I'm looking at Great there, and as he's playing the drums, he would have been here for almost all his life, if not all his life.
Yes.
How do you continue to preserve the culture while he's being raised in the Jamaican culture, but not losing who he is as an Igbo member?
How we do that is what we have come today.
Yes.
To tell our brethren, the Jamaicans and every other person watching us.
Yeah.
For example, our New Yam Festival, which is coming up this Saturday, the 2nd day of November, is a very rich culture back home. So we do it here for our children here to know that this type of a thing do happen at home. So they have to know about it.
Yeah.
During our meetings, we also speak Igbo language to them, for them to know where they are from.
That's right.
So they cannot lose their thing because they are in what we call Obodo Igbo. They are in abroad, or they are in a foreign land. We have to make sure we teach them what they're supposed to know.
Yeah. You mentioned the New Yam Festival happening on Saturday. What can people expect at the festival other than the good yam? Come and know you're going to have yam. You must have yam. What else can we expect?
Let me leave that to the organizing committee chairman, who is also my vice,
go ahead.
Dr. Chiana, to answer that question.
Thank you, Engineer Ogbonna, our able president. For this coming event, this Saturday at the Nigeria High Commission, outside the yam. In fact, let me just say this to you, Yanni. For the Jamaicans, they only know roasted yam and boiled yam.
Yes.
No, for us, there are so many things that we bring out of yam. Fry yam, porridge yam. I know you want to say, what is porridge yam?
I don't know yam porridge at all. Okay, what else?
Porridge yam, and then pounded yam. And pounded yam always goes with a goosey soup or bitter leaf. So you, like I said, all of those varieties of food coming out of yam is what we'll be presenting.
You know what? Because we want to really get a sense and a taste of what you're presenting, we're going to head on over to the kitchen because I know we have a little taste in there. What's happening over there, TK?
Oh, what a divine place to be, the kitchen. I'm so sad I got stuck with the assignment of the kitchen. Let's do it. So you carry, I'm here with you, Carrie. We have some traditional food here, yes? So we hear mention of yam porridge and yam, this and that. So talk to me, what do we have here and how does it work?
I just heard Yendi say she have never heard of yam porridge. This is yam porridge.
Ooh.
Yes. It's made with yam. We have kalalo in there.
Oh, would I need this?
Okay.
Is that better?
Yes, yam, kalalo. We have, what colored it is palm oil. We call it palm oil. So we get it also here in Jamaica. We're very glad that we can access it here. So there's also crayfish inside and other seasoning. There's pepper and all that. So this is our yam porridge. Yeah, right here.
I mean, you know, just so that the viewers, unfortunately, they can't taste it. So I will have to do it for them.
Okay.
And just to let them understand, you see, what it is that this is like. So this is yam porridge, and this is a pretty traditional meal that people would have pretty often in Nigeria, yes? Or is it for like special occasions?
No,
or
often.
This is just often.
We have it often, just like you have your porridge in the morning. We also cook the yam porridge, and then even in the afternoon, in the night, as much as you can, every time.
I love that. We're going to try that. What do we have here?
All right, this is egusi soup, and this is pounded yam. So this is a pounded yam, and we eat it with the egusi soup. And in the egusi soup, we have different types of meat. We have beef, we have cow foot, we have fish, we have cow skin. And the egusi is melon seed. It's made out of melon seed. So we grind it and then use it. And there's also spinach as a vegetable.
Let me tell you something. I don't care. Smell it, you know, but it smells so good in here. So you carry. Is it that we are going to, you know, people who come to the event on Saturday, are we going to be able to try things, sample things, taste things, learn how to cook things? How exactly?
No, you're going to see the pounded yam. You're going to see egusi soup. You're going to see porridge yam. There's bitter leaf soup. Different varieties of soup to go with the pounded yam.
I love it.
Because this is made out of yam. So you don't just eat it alone. You eat it with the soup. This is what we call soup. This is egusi soup. We have okra soup. We have bitter leaf soup. Different varieties of soup. When you come on Saturday, you're going to see a lot, and you just eat as you want.
What's happening? What's happening over there, Yendi? What's happening over there, Yendi? How may I help you? How may I help you?
I feel like I need to try the soup or the porridge or something.
I'm going to try everything. But before we go, so it's all are welcome. It's not that it's just for anybody from Nigeria. We are welcome. We are encouraged to attend. What time? You can answer this. What time is a good time? It's 2 p.m. and it runs until, okay.
Until maybe 6, 7.
Okay, excellent. And you said it's at the Nigerian High Commission, correct?
Yes.
All right, so talk to me now. Which one you want me to try first? Because I'm trying everything, you know.
You can try the yam porridge.
Let's try the yam porridge.
When you finish the yam porridge, and now dish out the soup so you can taste this one.
All right, so I'm just going to have just a little taste over here because Yendi, I don't like, why you eyeing me over there?
I mean, I'm wondering what's happening. Hello.
I love it.
Yummy, yummy.
I love it. I love it. I'm ready for more.
Okay.
We'll do it. We'll do it.
All right.
I want to try this because I see this, you know, we always see this on TV, you know. So you eat it with your hands.
Yeah.
You break a piece.
Yeah.
Yes.
Right.
But
And-
I don't know if there's water, we can wash our hands and eat it with our hand. But if there's no water, we can use the fork. And
All right, let me use the fork because, you know, I don't want to wait for the water. The water is coming, but, you know, I love it.
That smells so good. Oh my gosh, that smells good.
And it's so well, you know what I love about it? It's so well seasoned. It's so, oh my gosh. So this is why I understand why you said there's so much similarity between us, because it does have a familiar, it's new, but it's a familiar feel and a familiarity. Did you cook it? You
yes,
carry on?
my sister cooked that.
Sister?
Yes. I cooked the
Me and you need to be friends, you see? Yendi.
This is not right.
Yendi.
This is not right.
Yendi.
I don't know what this is. You carry, I don't understand this. No.
Yendi, you have to.
On which planet is this acceptable? Let's go
Oh my
for it.
gosh. Try the soup, Yendi. The soup is so
Soup
good.
is good too? I'll just try both.
Right? And this is so flavorful.
Don't chew it, just swallow it. That one, you
swallow.
swallow. Don't chew.
swallow it.
Listen.
The taste of the
He said, don't chew this, just swallow it.
Just swallow. If you chew it, you will not get
That's
the
why we
correct
wash
taste.
our hand and use the hand to mold it and then swallow it.
Oh, it's so good.
Yes.
And it is familiar. That's what I
Right?
mean. Yeah.
Right? I love it. I love it. I encourage it. And what I love is that we are bringing our people together. We are so similar, but yet because of distance, we're so far away and we know so little about each other. So I'm so grateful for this event and for the opportunity to share in things like this and get to know each other better and get to meet each other more. And we look forward to that, yeah?
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Really looking forward to it. So Yendi, I hand over to you.
You sure you should do that?
I'm doing it because I want to come more of this.
This is fantastic. I mean, heaven, at this point, just take over the show. Somebody. Okay, no. That's the new Yam Festival happening this Saturday at the Nigerian High Commission. Be sure to head on out and immerse yourself in the culture. Plus, trust me, it is fantastic. The food, it is fantastic. There's also a ton more happening on Sunrise right after this.
Hey,